Hello guys, welcome, and right now I'll show you guys that you could actually make money online building websites in simple steps even without coding. Yes guys, you can actually make money online using you know creating websites for clients and for people on the online space and get paid directly into your local bank account. But first of all, let us go to actually check it out for ourselves. So let's go to Fiverr actually. So if you just give it a while right now, it's actually loaded, and just give it a while. Okay, so let's try to search for website development. All right, so as you can see here, it says website development is for. There are different gigs now right now. Different gigs up on Fiverr who are actually building websites for actually $395, $150, $245, $100, $200, $1,995. Yes, guys. So this is actually what I'm talking about. Then you can make quick cash for yourself, and I'll be showing you guys how you could actually do this. Please just take through to this video, and you'll be learning everything about how to actually do it. We even without coding, guys, without coding. That's just the simplest. That's just the most important something here. It's actually without coding. Yes, guys. So let's search for Upwork again. So I'm sure most of you all know Upwork because I make more videos always on Upwork. And okay, let's search for website design also. Website development, and then we click on the search bar, and then we just wait for it to load up, and boom, this is it here right now. And as you all know, Upwork is actually the little brother of Fiverr. Yeah, so this guy is now actually telling you that he actually accepts $50 per hour building you websites for you guys, and this one actually says 25 hours, $25 per hour building your website, and this one actually says $60 per hour building your websites. That's how it is actually, guys. These guys are actually good, and they actually learned it also, and this one also said $85 per hour. Now this is actually $85 per hour, and this guy actually says $135. Now let's convert this 100 for um at least, let's just say 20 hours in a month. Now let's just calculate 20 hours in a month. Let's go to our calculator right now, and 20 times, then we go to this place here, so we could actually, so that everybody will actually learn and see that, okay, oh wow, he is actually teaching something amazing here. And I'm just going to be pasting it here. I don't know if I can actually paste on my calculator. Okay, so I can paste, and then I click on okay, and this is 1,121,391 euro. That's you're making seven figures, I think. Yeah, seven figures every month, guys, and this is actually amazing. If you actually come here right now and copy it, okay, so I think I could actually copy, and let's go to to show you guys how. Actually make more for yourselves. Now what I'm trying to say is that this is actually a passive income stream, and it is actually advisable for you to actually stick to this video for you to learn everything. Now what I'm actually saying is that there is actually a course going on, and so I think I will actually check it up right now. Alright guys, so this is the group right now which I will be teaching everyone here, and this is actually 38 people right now, and we just need some little amount of people before we could actually get started. Now this is actually the group 14 days website designing. And it's just for $4, or sorry, $5, which is actually 2,000 naira only in Nigerian naira. yeah, which is actually 5 USDT if you want to actually join. And it's actually just for the newbies, guys, just for the newbies. And I will actually copy this link and paste it on invite via link, and then I click on copy link. So I'm going to paste it in the description box below. Just check it out for yourself and you will learn everything about website designing. And that'll be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Keep winning, guys, and always remember that Dominion does love you all from the heart. Bye.